In this video, we will talk about how to create Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. First, we need to download ISO file. I'm assuming you have downloaded Windows 11 ISO file. If you don't know how to do it, I have mentioned the video link in the description. Next, we need a software to make Bootable Pendrive. For that, simply download Rufus. After download, right-click and open Rufus. Click on Yes. If you see Rufus Update Policy prompt, then you can select No, as we have already downloaded the latest version. From here, you can select your USB drive. If you have multiple USB drive connected, that will show up in here. Next, you need to add ISO image. Click on Select, then click on Folder you have Windows 11 ISO file. Select ISO file and click on Open. After this, there is no need to make any changes. You can label the volume, which usually explains what USB drive is about. Now click on Start. To customize Windows installation, you can select options from here. Then click on OK. And again, click on OK if you don't have any data on your pen drive. Here, you can see it's going to take some time. Let me fast forward it. All right, it's done. Let's check really quick. So that's how you can create Windows 11 bootable USB pen drive using Rufus. See you in the next video.